We have so many people walking back from the awards show. I know it's pretty late in India, but I really hope you guys are tuned in because we have Pragnya here for us. Oh my God, look at this hottie. I must say, I remember a couple of years ago, Angelina Jolie was on the Oscars carpet and she had a look so similar to yours tonight. Did someone tell you this before?
No, first time. I didn't even think of this, very honestly. Yeah, but she had a slit and it was black. So two similarities, but nothing else.
Oh, of course, you're gorgeous. So tell us, Pragnya, how are you feeling today? Saima, Telugu and Kannada awards must be really special for you. How was it?
It was amazing. I had such a great time. I finished my performance, so I am relieved because I've been dancing every single day, and I think I was dancing while eating and sleeping and drinking water. Like I was rehearsing in my mind all the time.
Yeah, but I must tell you, Pragnya, such a perfectionist. Like, even if the choreographer comes and tells her, it's enough, madam, you have learnt it, please stop. She'll be like, nay, I have to continue. Why so much attention to detail? Why so particular even when you're doing a performance on stage? Is it because, what is the reason?
I think I'm always like that, whether it comes to me acting or dancing or in terms of dressing or anything. I just want to put my best foot forward all the time. I want to look my best. I want to perform my best because, anything less than my 100% I'm not happy with. I don't want to leave. I don't like to do anything half-hearted. So, yeah.
That's so sweet. I think that is so evident with the kind of work that you do. But please do tell us. We're live on Facebook. We have so many friends tuned in. Even though it's so late in India, they're all watching you right now. What would you like to tell them?
I just want to say that watch Saima 2018 when it airs on television. Look out for my performance, and I'm going to connect with you guys on TV then.
And they can also watch it on the View app as well.
Oh yeah, you can watch it on the View app. Download it soon.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much, Pragnya. I think Saima is always incomplete without talking to you. Thank you. I know it's super late, but you still came for this live.
Lots of love to all my fans, and I hope to keep entertaining you with nice movies, and see you soon.
Absolutely. Thank you, Pragnya. So that's how amazing all our actors are. They're so sweet and they always want to interact with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this live. I think we're almost getting to the end of it, but let's see what goes on.
Appreciating each other's work, and we as anchors have an opportunity to present all the awards with them and get the show running is the most exciting part.
Is there like a special strategy for Saima? Is there did you give yourself like an energy booster or something before coming here?
No, Saima in itself is a lot of energy. The Saima, the kind of record that you have, the successful shows that you've been doing is fantastic. And being a part of Saima, like I said, is the first exciting point. And there's no need of any strategy. Just be there, just live the moment, enjoy Saima.
Absolutely. And you just mentioned to us that you went to Pantaloons, right? As anchors, all of us were styled by them. So how was your time when you were there? Did you find anything you liked? How was that experience?
I did. That's the reason. And since Saima's being a very formal event, I wanted to look formal with a nice presentable suit, and so that people also would like, and nothing to beat a total black combination, which I always love. And being in Pantaloons was again very nice. There is a whole lot of varieties and options to choose from. Many brands there, and you can style yourself as you like.
Wonderful, and I think you did a fantastic job. But we're live on Facebook. We have so many people watching us. What would you like to tell your fans on Facebook?
My dear fans, not only mine, the fans of Saima, fans of cinema on the whole, enjoy Saima, keep supporting us and keep loving us. We'll love you back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.